Everything around the world is based on science, so if you don't know what science is, you don't know what's that made from, and really nothing is going to be answered.
Instead of just regular class, you don't have to just sit there and listen to a teacher talk, you get to try it out for yourself.
The goal is for them to have that curiosity and have that intrinsic motivation. That's what's going to make a difference. And where the learning happens is where they take over on their own and they want to know the next step. And that's the whole goal that you're looking for as a teacher.
It's challenging, so I like it. Makes me work harder and smarter.
I expected it to be like, oh, like, it'll be fun, but like, whoa, that was fun.
The thing that motivates me to come in each day is getting to see that light bulb moment, and you get to be there to kind of guide them and help them understand why something is happening. And that is so much fun and so addictive to be able to see children every day learning something and seeing their eyes light up.
Thank you, TryEngineering!